Netflix Extra member. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can get Netflix Extra members, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now unfortunately currently where I'm living, the extra member feature is not available in my region yet, but I will still show you that if it is available in your region, then what you have to do. So basically you have to go to netflix.com from your browser, tap the three lines option here and then go to account, which will take you to the your account page. When you go to your account page, you actually need to go to the extra members tab. Now I don't have that option here unfortunately, but if you do, then you'll find the extra members tab, and from there you can tap on buy an extra member slot. Then you can follow the steps to add an extra member. So by default you can actually use up to 5 profiles, but if you want more than that you can buy an extra slot as well on Netflix. But currently this feature is not available in my region. If it was, then it would show up in this case here. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.